An inverter air conditioning system is much more efficient than a traditional air conditioning unit of the same capacity due to their ability to vary their compressor speed depending on immediate need. The unit monitors the room temperature and powers up or down accordingly. Typical air conditioning units power on and off, which can lead to shortened motor life. While inverter air conditioning may cost a bit more at the outset, it's more efficient and cost-effective in the long run. If you are willing to pay more for an extraordinary quiet unit, please see our selection of Daikin inverter air conditioning systems. If you are more concerned with your pocketbook than your ears, Mitsubishi makes a very good AC unit with an affordable price tag. Visit Aircon 24/7 for more information.